Recycling waste refrigerators is becoming increasingly important as global e-waste continues to grow. Millions of household appliances are discarded every year, and refrigerators pose a special challenge due to their complex structure and mixed materials such as steel, plastic, foam, and non-ferrous metals. To address the environmental risks and resource loss caused by improper disposal, our company provides a visualized waste refrigerator recycling line designed for efficient, safe, and profitable recycling. This system includes a pre-shredding stage using a heavy-duty double-shaft shredder, followed by fine processing with a vertical hammer mill. Through multiple separation technologies, including magnetic separation, airflow separation, baffle separator, and eddy current separation, the line achieves precise material recovery. It effectively separates and collects foam, EPS/PU, ferrous metals, plastics, copper, and aluminum from waste refrigerator bodies. One of the unique features of this plant is the visualized monitoring control panel. Operators can view real-time operating status, material flow, and motor load through an integrated display system. This greatly improves production safety, simplifies troubleshooting, and ensures stable long-term operation. Whether you operate a recycling plant, scrap yard, waste management facility, or environmental project, this line helps turn refrigerator waste into valuable raw materials. With the growing global focus on circular economy, now is the time to invest in advanced e-waste recycling technology. Interested in starting a refrigerator recycling business? Contact us today for layout design, pricing, and project support.